Hi, I'm Susanna from C3S Business School, and today we're going to be taking a tour of our campus. So let's get started. Come on in. This is our reception area, where students can check their class schedules on the big screen, as well as local weather and world news. We also have an electronic hand sanitizer dispenser, which even takes your temperature. Now let me show you some of our installations. As you can see, we make every effort to maintain an inspirational and relaxing environment so that every student can study to the best of their abilities. Up here on the right is classroom number 1. All of our classrooms are equipped with tablets to allow for live sessions and live classes. And over here is classroom number 2. The academic department provides assistance for students with enrollment, and up here on the right is our principal's office. This is classroom number 3. Student Services helps students with legal issues such as their NIE, as well as help finding accommodations. This meeting room is used primarily for student counseling. And the academic department helps with class arrangements and timetables. This is our professor's lounge. And right next to it is our student lounge, where students can get a cup of coffee or enjoy relaxing between classes. From here, we also have access to our terrace, which is often used for big events and also allows students some time to enjoy the sunshine. The school is also conveniently located just a few minutes walk from the metro station, as well as a local park complete with table tennis and beautiful trees and benches where students can enjoy their lunch. Just here on our right is classroom number 4. Up here on our left is our student study area. Students can use this space to gain access to the library and find a quiet place to do their work. We also encourage students to make use of the computer room to access the digital library and, of course, the internet. And our last classroom is classroom 5. Up here is our meeting room. And that's the end of our tour. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed it.